So today we'll be cleaning our sand and pebbles and rocks for our 50-gallon aquarium. So we'll be transferring all of this to this big basin and then wash it and then strain it using this one. So I'm just transferring all of it from this to this. As you can see, I made a couple of rinsing of the sand right now, or the gravel that we'll be using, but until the water is clear, then that's the time we'll start to strain it. We got another basin to use here, so I'll be starting to rinse off. And put it. Then we might need to do it a couple of times, so we can end up removing the dirt that we have from this sand. So as you could see, the water is much clearer, and we do have some fine grains here, so we can't avoid that. But we'll be transferring this batch again to this one and then rinse it a couple of times more. Then we'll be separating again all these big pebbles or corals, stones from the sandy part. So I got a bucket here, and let me just pick some of the stones, pebbles that are a little bit bigger so we can use it as for decoration. We can arrange the aquarium better. So I do have some slates and these corals. So let me just separate that right now. So I've got the seashell that we might include with the decoration. There you go. So we have cleaned up all our aquarium sand with pebbles, and also the big stones, corals, and I have a pretty one here, see? So we'll be using this one for decoration, and here goes the bunch of it. So it's a mixture of small pebbles and sand. There you go. And some fresh shells even, like this one. So if you have enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Kusina 101, and also you can visit my playlist, Planting Adventure and Cooking at Home. So till next time, once we have set up this aquarium, I'll update you. Bye bye now.